On Your Side First Warning Weather with Chief Meteorologist Erin Christiansen.
Welcome back. We start you off with a live look outside from the east side. And yes, I realize it's dark, but boy, you can see some of those trees really blowing around in the wind. We can still hear the rafters rattling here at our station on the east side of town now. And as we were tracking this line of storms for you at 5 and 6 o'clock, sure enough, it has pushed off the high country, that Mogollon Rim, and now into southern Arizona, bringing with it quite a few lightning strikes, some strong damaging wind, and eventually we'll get this rain moving through. Look at the lightning tracker. It has picked up over 2,400 strikes within this view in the last 30 minutes alone. So this storm system has quite a bit of frequent lightning. If you can hear thunder, you need to be indoors. This continues to track to the south now, kind of skipping through on the east side of Tucson, but really impacting Greenlee, Graham, and Cochise counties. Look at these wind gusts now in Oracle. This is what I was talking about earlier when you joined us at 5 and 6. The strong outflow winds from thunderstorms collapsing. 52-mile-per-hour gusts now in Oracle. 45-mile-per-hour gusts in Tucson, close to 40 in Wilcox, near 50-mile-per-hour gusts in Safford. So this is a fairly widespread wind event, folks. Now, I will say that the wind has weakened just enough at Tucson's airport to allow our severe thunderstorm warning to expire here for eastern Pima County. But because that wind is still elevated, we do have a blowing dust advisory that covers the Tucson metro area and really stretches along that I-10 corridor from Tucson up through Casa Grande, as well as a dust storm warning now for central Pima County. And this does cover the Tohono O'odham Nation. Now, both of these advisories take us through 11 o'clock. Honestly, if you live in one of these areas or you are planning to, say, head up to Phoenix for a late night trip, I would put it off until tomorrow morning. Try to avoid travel on the roads if possible, because that wind is blowing dust and reducing visibilities in a heartbeat. So the next 2 hours, we're still very concerned about damaging wind. Some gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour. The rain eventually moving in anywhere from 1/10 of an inch up to 1/2 an inch of rain. And again, that frequent lightning. If you hear that thunder, again, you need to be indoors. 81 degrees right now at Tucson's airport. Look at what this rain has done for our temperatures. It has cooled the air tremendously. As our high today in Tucson, 102. We were at 95 in Wilcox, 98 Safford. When we switch these over to the current temps, check this out. 59 degrees in Show Low, 72 Safford. We've dropped to 78 in Wilcox, 79 Oracle, and now 81 degrees in Tucson. So the air, at least at this point, feeling pretty good. But tomorrow we'll be back to 103 in Tucson, 105 Marana, 95 for Douglas, 102 Oro Valley, and 102 for Green Valley. A look at the extended KGUN-9 on your side 7-day. Those chances for rain every day now between 20 and 30%, taking us through our holiday and really through the holiday weekend. We'll have a 30% chance for storms Friday, 20% Saturday and Sunday, but we still have that triple-digit heat all the way through early next week. KGUN-9 on your side at 10 o'clock. We'll be right back.